let's do that. So we can start.
So how to make this connection? Huh? You go to menu, disconnections, enter, new disconnection. Okay. Level 2B or level 2. Another vessel must be different. Password 2222. Okay. Now you go to zone. Yeah. Here we have only 3 zones. Yeah. Here, zone 1, accommodation area, zone 2, all the engine, zone 3, forecastle. Zone 2, engine area, let's say. We press 2, and here you have options: smoke detectors, heat, flame, or all detectors. I go to all detectors, permanent disconnection. Okay, okay. And now you see you have one orange here, that you have one disconnection. You go then to disconnection, you have one. Disconnection list. Boom. It's showing you this one. Okay. Menu. And now disconnections. To go back, remove all disconnections. Hop. Confirm. Okay.
Nice.
Now
What
okay.
about this poster?
This poster, fire detection system. It's saying you exactly what you can do with the access code. You see, login to make these connections. Login 3. This is more for the electrician, level 3, yeah? If it's coming alarm, mute and reset. Mute and reset. Mute and reset. This is how to acknowledge. Not to come fire alarm, no, bam, 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 bam.